Welcome to our ultimate guide on the best oils for hair growth. Whether you're dealing with hair thinning, breakage, or simply looking for a natural way to enhance your hair health, using the right oil can transform your hair care routine. In this video, we'll explore 5 of the most effective hair growth oils, breaking down their benefits, key features, and how to use them. Let's find the perfect oil to help you achieve thicker, healthier hair. Kicking off our list at number 1, Castor. Castor oil is a time-tested favorite for promoting hair growth and thickness. Extracted from castor seeds, this rich oil is packed with essential nutrients that deeply nourish the scalp and hair follicles. Key features: castor oil contains ricinoleic acid, omega-6 fatty acids, and vitamin E, which are known for their ability to stimulate blood circulation in the scalp and enhance hair growth. It also has antifungal and antibacterial properties, helping to maintain a healthy scalp environment. Benefits and usage: castor oil is perfect for strengthening hair strands, reducing split ends, and encouraging hair regrowth. To use, warm a small amount of oil and massage it into your scalp. Leave it on for a few hours or overnight, then wash it off with a gentle shampoo. With consistent use, you'll notice reduced shedding and improved hair density. Usability: while castor oil has a thick consistency, it can be mixed with lighter oils like coconut or almond oil for easier application. Its versatility makes it suitable for all hair types, including curly, straight, and chemically treated hair. Durability: thanks to its highly concentrated formula, a small amount of castor oil goes a long way. With regular use, this affordable and long-lasting product delivers visible results in just a few weeks. In the second spot, we have Argan. Argan oil, often referred to as liquid gold, is a luxurious oil extracted from the kernels of the argan tree. Known for its moisturizing and strengthening properties, it's a top choice for promoting hair growth and improving hair texture. Key features: this oil is rich in antioxidants, vitamin E, and fatty acids that nourish the scalp and protect hair from damage. It also contains anti-inflammatory properties, making it ideal for soothing irritated scalps. Benefits and usage: argan oil helps reduce hair breakage, restore shine, and improve elasticity. To use, apply a few drops to your scalp and massage gently. You can also work it through the lengths of your hair as a leave-in treatment to prevent split ends and frizz. Usability: lightweight and non-greasy, argan oil is perfect for daily use. It's suitable for all hair types, especially dry or damaged hair, and can be used as a styling product to add a healthy sheen. Durability: argan oil is highly concentrated, so only a small amount is needed per application. Its ability to deeply penetrate the hair shaft ensures long-lasting hydration and protection, making it a reliable addition to your hair care routine. Coming in at number 3 is the jojoba. Jojoba oil is a versatile and lightweight oil derived from the seeds of the jojoba plant. It closely resembles the natural oils produced by the scalp, making it an excellent choice for nourishing hair and promoting growth. Key features: jojoba oil is rich in vitamins B and E, as well as minerals like zinc and copper. Its unique composition helps balance the scalp's natural oil production, unclog hair follicles, and strengthen hair strands. Benefits and usage: this oil is perfect for moisturizing the scalp, reducing dandruff, and improving hair thickness. To use, warm a few drops of jojoba oil and massage it into your scalp. It can also be used as a deep conditioning treatment when applied to the lengths of your hair before washing. Usability: thanks to its lightweight texture, jojoba oil is easily absorbed and doesn't leave a greasy residue. It's suitable for all hair types and can be used as a daily scalp treatment or a weekly deep conditioning mask. Durability: jojoba oil has a long shelf life and retains its properties even after extended storage. Regular use ensures healthier, shinier hair, and its gentle nature makes it ideal for sensitive scalps. Taking our 4th spot is coconut. Coconut oil is a staple in hair care routines worldwide due to its deep conditioning and strengthening properties. Extracted from the meat of coconuts, this oil is packed with nutrients that promote hair growth and overall health. Key features: coconut oil contains lauric acid, a medium-chain fatty acid that penetrates deep into the hair shaft, providing intense hydration and strengthening from within. It also has antifungal properties, which help maintain scalp health. Benefits and usage: coconut oil reduces protein loss in hair, prevents breakage, and promotes healthy growth. Apply it as a pre-shampoo treatment by massaging it into your scalp and hair. Leave it on for 30 minutes or overnight before washing it out with shampoo. Usability: this versatile oil works well for all hair types, though it's particularly beneficial for dry, damaged, or curly hair. Its natural fragrance adds a pleasant touch to your hair care routine. Durability: a little coconut oil goes a long way, making it an economical choice. Its solid consistency at room temperature allows for easy storage, and it melts quickly when warmed, ensuring long-lasting use. And finally, at number 5, we have rosemary. Rosemary oil is a powerful essential oil known for its ability to stimulate hair growth and improve scalp health. Derived from the rosemary plant, it has been used for centuries to address hair loss and thinning. Key features: this oil is rich in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds that boost blood circulation to the scalp and encourage hair regrowth. It also helps reduce dandruff and strengthens hair follicles. Benefits and usage: rosemary oil is ideal for promoting hair thickness and reducing hair fall. Mix a few drops with a carrier oil, such as coconut or jojoba oil, and massage it into your scalp. Leave it on for 20 to 30 minutes before rinsing. Regular use can significantly improve hair density. Usability: as an essential oil, rosemary oil should always be diluted with a carrier oil before application. Its invigorating scent makes it a refreshing addition to any hair care routine, and it's suitable for all hair types. Durability: a single bottle of rosemary oil lasts for months, as only a few drops are needed per use. Its long-lasting effects on hair growth and scalp health make it a must-have for those seeking natural remedies. And there you have it, the top 5 oils for hair growth. Each of these oils, from the nourishing richness of castor oil to the invigorating properties of rosemary oil, brings something unique to the table. Whether you're looking to combat hair loss, improve scalp health, or simply enhance your hair's shine and strength, these oils are reliable options to transform your routine naturally. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with someone who might benefit, and subscribe to our channel for more expert reviews and tips on achieving your best hair yet. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.